So that's it for the news. Now, here's Bob Neferjak with the sport.
Thank you. So, it has been a busy day in the Barclays Premier League. Chelsea won at home to Sunderland 3-0, with Drogba, that really good guy who is good on Ultimate Team, and who I happen to have on Ultimate Team, scoring twice, and Nicholas Anelka getting one. Liverpool won away at Wigan 2-1 with Lerp the Diggy Dig Dogler Kite getting a goal, and Titus Bramble scoring an own goal, from 40 yards out. A balloon scored Wigan's goal. There were also wins for Man United, Birmingham, and Fulham. By the way, in the FA Cup extra preliminary round, the Capborough won away at Tadcaster Albion 4-1. In tennis, Andy Murray beat Rafael Nadal, as he quit because he wanted to go home and watch EastEnders, and in rugby, there was a fight.
Thank you. I have to go now, as my fanny is sore, and I want to go home and put some Sudocrem on it.